welcome to part 3 of our Hocus Pocus routine. We're getting closer to Halloween. I'm so excited. So today we're going to be doing a lot more jazz movement, so don't freak out. Just stick with it. I will explain it. If you have any questions, again, please comment on the video, send me a message if you're struggling at all, and we'll get through this together, I promise. Okay, our first move of our part 3 of our routine is called a Tacky Annie. Again, if you've done the Shim Sham, then you know what a Tacky Annie is, except the timing might be slightly different because again, we're trying to hit what's in the music and the lyrics of this song. Okay, so we just ended with our paddles and we just did our mime. Okay, so all your weight is in your left foot and your right hip is facing the audience. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to start our Tacky Annie by jumping out right, left, and facing the audience. So we go right, left. Okay, and now we're looking at the audience. Our weight, even though it looks like I might be 50-50 with my weight, is kind of more like 80% of my weight's in my left foot, 20% of my weight's in my right foot. Not to be exact, but we want to make sure most of your weight's in your left. And also the hands kind of come out in front of you for a Tacky Annie. Okay, so again, one more time. Our weight starts in our left foot. We're here on mine, and then we want to go right, left, jumping out, facing the audience. Okay, now for Tacky Annies, I'm going to go to the side just to show you what a Tacky Annie looks like. As we did right, left, now you're going to take your right foot and tap it behind you. Then bring it underneath you again and put the weight in the right. Now take the left foot, just tap it behind. Now bring it underneath you again and put the weight in the left foot. Now as you tap your foot behind, if you look at my elbows go back when I tap my foot. Okay, I'll face you again just so you see. Right, so as I'm doing the tap behinds, my elbows are gonna go backwards. Okay, so just practice those Tacky Annies as many times as you need to. Just going tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Okay? So again, as we're here for mine, this is a little bit of a funky part in the song as far as the timing goes. But you'll hear something in the song where like the horns go ba-dum-bum, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. So on the ba-dum-bum is when you want to go ba-dum-bum. Okay, getting ready for watch out, watch out, watch out, okay? Because when she says watch out, you want to be tapping behind on the watch outs of the song, okay? So we're here on mine. Ba-dum-bum, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, and we're going to tap behind us 3 times. So 3 taps. Okay, let's show it from behind real quick. So you have our jump out with 3 taps. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump out, tap, tap, tap. Okay? So right, left, right, right. Now, after those 3 taps, we're gonna put the weight in our left foot and push forward into our right. I'll show you. So we have right, left. We tap once with the right, once with the left, once with the right. Now, when all your weight's in your right foot, instead of tapping that left foot, step into it. Then you're gonna push forward into the right at a diagonal, tap that left, step back into that left foot, and kind of gather your weight. After that, we're gonna go into a fishtail, which you guys should remember from our intro. This time we're just do a little fish instead of a big fish. So fish, tail, ending with the weight in our left foot. So all together, it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, up, bump, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Step, gather, fish, fish. Okay? Very cool. So I'll do it one time facing this direction. We have our weight in our left foot, because we just did now your mind. Ba-dum-bum, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, push forward, gut and lion. Okay, so that's our Tacky Annie section. Jump out, right, left, 3 taps, yeah? Then after that 3rd tap, step left, forward right, diagonal, tap left, step back left, then gather into our fish right, fish left. Okay, give it a shot. Here we go. All right, hopefully you're doing okay with those Tacky Annies. I know they might be a little bit tricky, but now we're gonna move on to another solo jazz movement called Fall Off the Log. Yep, we're gonna pretend like we're falling off a log. Okay, so this is an actual vernacular jazz move. So this is going to be at 1 minute and 21 seconds into the song. So where she says, if you don't believe, you better get superstitious. All right, so at this point in the song, we just finished our little fishes. So your weight should be in your left foot. What I want you to do now is hop on that left foot while you kick your right foot in the air, okay? So hop, okay? Now I do a little clap while I hop and kick at the same time. So baby steps, try it first, just try hopping on that left foot and then add the kick and then add the clap if you want, okay? So we have a hop with a kick. Now what you're gonna do is take that right foot that's in the air and step behind you and then do another step and another step, okay? So we have a hop kick, step, step, step. Now you should end with your weight in your right foot. We're gonna repeat that. We're gonna do another hop, this time on your right foot, hopefully not losing your balance. Hop with a kick on your left foot, take that left foot, kind of cross behind and step on it, and then step right and step left, okay? So it's a fall off the log. Again, starting with the right and the left foot, we're gonna do a kick, step, 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 kick, step, step, step. Okay, so that's our fall off the log. One more time, it's a kick with a hop, then step, 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 kick with a hop, step, step, step. Very good. So we're gonna do that twice. So when she says, if you don't believe, you better get superstitious. All right, so if you don't, hop and kick on, don't believe, you better get. So hop and kick on the get, superstitious, all right? We are gonna do actually 4 fall off the logs, but here's what I would like for you to do. On the second fall off the log, you're gonna turn away from the audience, okay? So we have, if you don't believe, you better get superstitious. And again, she's vicious, yeah? So 2 more fall off the logs, but we're facing away from the audience. And I just realized I didn't show you guys the fall off the log facing away from you. So really quick, just breaking it down the other way, we have a hop into the left foot, kick with the right, behind with the right, step, step. Weight's in my right foot now. Hop with the right, kicking with the left, behind with the left, step, step. Okay? So again, 4 fall off the logs. On the second fall off the log, turn around so your butt's facing the audience, okay? So we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. If you don't believe, you better get superstitious. Ask my sister. She's vicious, okay? So that's our fall off the log section. After, this one's really easy, so I'll just add this on. After your weight's in your left foot, doesn't really matter. You're gonna hear this song, it goes, hep, hep, or ooh, wee, right? So after you do that final fall off the log, look over your left shoulder with a little like, ooh, whatever face you wanna make. Left shoulder, right shoulder. And again, you'll hear that in the music. There's like a horn that goes, bop, bop. And I think in the movie version, they go, ooh, ee, right? So left shoulder look, right shoulder look. after you finish those 4 fall off the logs. Okay, everybody, great job so far. After we do our fall off the logs, we're facing away from the audience, and we just did our look over the shoulder, left, right. Okay, now we're gonna do something that's similar to a boogie forward, if you're familiar with the solo jazz moves. So a boogie forward, I'll actually show you this direction, is you take your foot, so if I start with my weight in my right, you kind of like sweep your foot forward and then step on it, yeah? So if I go towards you, I'm gonna sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, sweep, step, okay? And you can do it really small, or you can do it really big, however you wanna do it. And if for this part, you don't really wanna get into the boogie forwards and you just wanna walk around in a circle, that's fine too. Again, however much cheese you wanna give is totally up to you. Okay, so this part is at 1 minute and 30 seconds into the song. We're so close to being done, guys. Okay, so we're facing away from the audience, and we're gonna do, for those of you who know about 8 counts, 3 8 counts of this boogie forward, walk around in a circle, and you'll hear in the music, I put a spell on you, a wicked spell, and she's just kind of like talking during this moment. So as we're facing away from the audience, right, we just did our hit and our hit. Because we're hitting over our right shoulder, most of your weight should probably be in your right foot. So just take that left foot and just sweep it forward and just walk in a circle, okay? And I'm doing like little boogie forwards, and I'm just walking in a circle. Again, if you don't want to boogie forward, you can just like walk normal, maybe with some swag, whatever, okay? So as she's doing that, as we're doing that, she says, a wicked spell. So I like to go, put a spell on you, a wicked spell, as I'm walking around. And she says that, I kind of like, again, as I said in the intro, I give spell arms, if that's a thing. So I'm doing my boogie forwards. As I reach the audience, I kind of, a wicked spell with the arms, and I make another full turn. So I do about 2 slow boogie forward, walkie kind of turns around, okay? So at the end of those 3 8 counts, I wanna face the audience again, okay? So give it a try with music. Again, at 1 minute and 30 seconds into the song, start by facing away from the audience with the weight in your right foot. All right, that's the end of section 3. We are so close to finishing this, you guys. So go ahead and practice the Tacky Annie moves, fall off the logs, the boogie forwards. I didn't want to give you too much this week. I didn't want to overwhelm you. So practice, practice, practice everything you've learned so far. Again, section 3 starts at 1 minute and 16 seconds, okay? So have fun with it. Again, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next Monday for our last section of our Hocus Pocus routine.